What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, another vlog. So at the moment I'm at a huge car, the biggest one I've been to. You can see there's loads and loads of people here.
I'ma go get it, they waiting for buses. I've been taking L's and I lost it, they lessons. To get the money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. To tell you the truth, I don't got a confession. I don't know what I'ma go get it, they waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I lost it, they lessons. And it's stupid, not ruin my session.
There's a Toyota GR Yaris. I saw a E92 M3, the F80 M3, M4. Quite a lot of very, very nice cars. And so I'll show you guys around them though.
And are you thinking about me? Do you miss me so much? I think back to how
Ferrari 458. This is such a beautiful car. It's really beautiful. R33 or 2. I just saw R32. I think it's the 32. Just look at this car. Oh my, it's insane. It's insane. Yo, it's insane. Titanium tips. It's just coming in more and more cars. Yo, it's loud. Yo, this is insane. Yo, that sounds nice. Yo. Beautiful thing I've ever saw in my life. That is really stunning. That M4 is insane. Yo, my dream car. That's my dream car right there. Yo, yo, that's insane. Oh, there's the R8. I'm going to that R8. Take this R8 though. Yo, that's insane. That is really cool.
Remember bending them blocks, I had to go high from the Jakes. I got them.
They are literally using this parking lot, and this parking lot wasn't even meant to be used for this meet, but they use it because there's not enough parking here. The whole lot is literally insane.
Thought you was my bro, you ain't ride like you said you was. I might just do the race and self-drive in the Tesla. Now
Didn't know a Ranger can do that. That is really cool. thing is loud. Drive behind them. Yo. Lineup. This is the Merc lineup. AMGs, AMGs. And I see another Audi R8 here. Check out all those cars. Four, 5, 8, R8. Ah, here's the Skyline. R32, I think. Might be the 33, not sure. Here you can see this is a stunning car. A stunning car. Stunning, just look at that exhaust pipe. Whew. That is insane. Let's see that new Audi R8. That Audi R8. Here's this R8. Very nice. Alfa Romeo GT, not sure if that's the name. I think it is. This comment is just, this is my happy place. This is where I'm on my happiest. Hearing the cars revving gives me a little bit of a headache, but it's a headache I want. It's not a unwanted headache. There's even a tow truck here. Yo, this thing sounds nice. That thing sounds very nice. is there a Yamaha logo? Oh no, I think that's the one JC, I'm not sure. I don't see any 2 JC cars here, but yes. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I hope you guys did enjoy that video. It was quite a long video. But yeah, it was really fun to make. Hopefully it was fun for you guys to watch as well. My next video, because I went to 2 meets in one day and I couldn't fit the second one in this video, so my next video you guys will see a part of the second meet that I went to. So you guys will see that in my next vlog next week, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you guys ended up enjoying the video, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel for more content just like this. And yeah, I have a giveaway as I mentioned in the beginning of my video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.